Hi, today I got a task to do tapping, 8 tapping for these metal pieces in the center. So I'm gonna make it. Initially I took the metal piece. Now I'm gonna mark with the center point. I'm gonna use a gauge here. I will make the marking, the vertical line and horizontal line. Then I will find the center point. This is 5 centimeter, 50 mm. So 25 mm I will make a line. Then I will do the same way, other way. Then I will make the punching. Then I will do the drilling. After drilling, I will show you how to make the tapping. Let's go. Here I made the marking. Now I'm gonna punch it. I have the point punch with me, a hammer, and this one is the reference for me. I have to make the tapping for this Argentina board. Let us see how to do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna punch by using this and the hammer. Now I made the point punch for the both metal pieces. Now I have to drill the hole by using a drill bit. If you want to do 8 mm tapping, you must do the drilling with the drill bit 7.5. I'm gonna use this drilling machine now. Let us see how. While using this, you should have all your PPE for the safety purpose. Let's go to do the drilling. Now I fix the metal piece here. I arrange this. I fix the drill bit, and I arrange this in properly aligned so that the drill bit exactly sitting on the punch. Okay, let's do the drilling. It. This is 7.5 mm nail point. Let's do the second one. That is, I have the metal with a 7.5 mm hole, and I have the tapper. Since we make it 7.5 mm, you take a tapper for 8, there will be 3 pieces like this. You can slowly make the threading to have an exact 8 inside. So this is my handle. Now I'm going to fix this between here. Then I will do manually the tapping. Let's do it. I put the tapper bit here. So this is my handle. Just apply the force very gently and keep rotating it so the threading will come inside the hole. If you feel it is difficult, just apply some oil for the smooth rotations. After using the 3 tappers, you can use the 8 mm bolt. So this is how it's going very smooth. Here we go. I hope you like the video. Please let me know if you need any clarifications regarding the same. Thank you.